Welcome to this demonstration on InsightBot's third-party app integration and document comparison service, co-piloting real estate interactions. Today, we'll showcase the powerful and intuitive capabilities of our enterprise AI chatbot and how real estate can benefit from generative AI. This is Erwin Smith, the executive admin of a real estate company. He's responsible for ensuring everything runs smoothly, from leases to building management. Bob, a recent tenant, has rented a building from Erwin Smith's company. And here's InsightBot, an advanced AI chatbot designed to assist real estate professionals like Smith. Now let's create a typical scenario. Smith, an executive admin at a real estate firm, utilizes InsightBot to access information about tenant very quickly and verify that all agreements are in line with legal requirements by comparing them to law documents. Now, let's switch gears to our third-party application. Here is the InsightBot chat widget, already integrated and online, ready to assist users in real time. Smith's task is now to upload a document. It's a common scenario for an executive admin like Smith, who needs to handle, access, and compare various documents efficiently. Smith simply drag and drop the document files from the computer. Smith has now uploaded 4 documents to the system. 3 of them are lease agreements for a tenant named Bob, dated January and March, and the 4th is the Renters Handbook, which contains government regulations for leasing. Once the document is uploaded, InsightBot is ready to assist with comparing documents, extracting data, or answering queries related to the content. With this feature, obtaining answers related to your knowledge base is as easy as dropping a question. Now Smith types, "What is Bob Anderson's monthly rent?" Here, we query the InsightBot about the monthly rent specified in the rental agreement document. The InsightBot responds with, "Bob Anderson's monthly rent is $1,200 as per the agreement." The InsightBot successfully retrieves the exact figure from the rental agreement in the back-end knowledge base. Smith then types, "Does Bob Anderson's income of $900 meet the 3-to-1 income requirement according to the rental law?" Now, we challenge the InsightBot with a more complex scenario, combining Bob's income with legal requirements from a different document. The chatbot responds with the assessment that Bob's income does meet the requirement. Effortlessly, the chatbot interprets the law, performs the necessary calculations, and provides a clear answer. In this scenario, Smith faces a common yet challenging task in the real estate industry: comparing lengthy lease agreements. Typically, lease documents are extensive and filled with complex legal jargon, making manual comparison a daunting and error-prone task. Smith reviews the list of documents he has uploaded, 2 versions of Bob's lease agreements and the Renter's Handbook. He selects Bob Agreement March and Jan PDF file by checking their corresponding boxes for comparison. With both documents selected, Smith clicks the Compare button, signaling InsightBot to begin the analysis. InsightBot starts processing the documents using its AI-based comparison tool. And a detailed comparison appears, listing similarities and differences between the 2 lease agreements. Key points such as lease dates, rent amounts, and termination notices are highlighted for Smith's attention. InsightBot is a versatile tool that serves both administrators like Smith and end users like Bob and a company. Let's see how both parties interact with InsightBot to understand the potential risks in a lease agreement. Bob, considering the implications of his new lease, turns to the InsightBot chat widget for immediate assistance. He types, "What are the risks in the lease agreement?" InsightBot quickly processes the request, scanning the lease agreement for any clauses that could present risks to either party. The chatbot responds with precision, based on the context of the lease agreement provided. Some of the key risks include tenant default, damage to premises, and liability for injuries. Notice the bot's capability to dissect complex legal language and present the essentials in an easily digestible format. This intelligent chatbot experience exemplifies how technology can enhance understanding and collaboration between different parties in a business. Contact us at P3 Fusion now for a personalized demonstration.